Introduction. The Internet of Things (IoT) describes the network of physical objects that are embedded with sensor, software and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the Internet. In a nutshell, the Internet of Things is the concept of connecting any device so long as it has an on or off switch to the Internet and to other connected devices.
Statement of problem. I will talk about the statement of problems for our group project. Fire problems are common in residential area, and the main focus of project is for who renting a rental house near their university. According to statistics by the Malaysian Fire and Rescue Department in January 2018, there are 1,794 types of fire cases occurring in Malaysia. Many of the causes of this problem can occur, including a fire that lives on its own by accident as well as humans careless itself. If this problem is not resolved in good way, for example, students who renting a house will not only have a property in an event of fire, but also could cause serious injury and loss of life. So this project aims to explore how to give an early warning to a percent of householder if a fire breaks out unexpectedly. Therefore, our group is trying to create a flame detector to solve this problem.
This is the flame sensor model. This is ESP32. This is the jumper wires. This is the micro B USB. First thing first, connect the wire to the flame sensor, which is connect the purple wires to the VCC pin, then the yellow color to the GND, and the black color to the AO. After that, connect the wires to the ESP32, which is connect the purple wire to the VIN, then the yellow color to the GND, and black color to the D13. Connect the USB to the laptop. Then connect the micro B USB to the ESP32. Open Arduino IDE application and put the code. After done, put the code, click upload button. And open the Blink application and setting the metadata, data stream, events, automation and web dashboard. Now we can use the fire detector. Sensor will send the notification through your Blink apps.
So now for my part, I will talk about the novelty and uniqueness of our solution, which is the solution is fire alarm detector. So here we go. A fire alarm detector reads faster than a smoke detector. This fire detector has the ability to detect fire only in a second, but on another hand, it only catch fire that is no taller than 1 meter away from a result, which is only will be above height. It also for high-risk area. For experienced burning pain, for example, the iron board, kitchen stove, microwave, or oven, and also for another thing. A fire alarm system warns people when smoke, fire, carbon monoxide, or other fire-related emergency are detected. This alarm may be active automatically from fire detector and heat detector, or may also be active via manual fire alarm activation device such as manual call point or pull station. The fire alarm detector is much smaller than the yet another smoke detector. For the create this fire detector, we only use a budget of less than 60 ringgit, making it affordable to anyone who wanted one and also to want to install this fire alarm detector in your home. Fire alarm detector can be set to a certain frequency and different tone, including low, medium, and high, depending on the country and manufacturer of device. A fire alarm warning device can also be set to a different volume level. It can generate a large amount of alarm tone that is first link. It is easy to use because it aids users in reminding vigilance if there is a fire in their house. The iron keys have been mentioned several times in house that have been burned in to set up this fire alarm detector. So it can help you to avoid burn and also give you notification that have a fire in your house. And last but not least, preventing it from securing this outside the ironing section. If a fire alarm starter is available while the user are soundly asleep, there will be a big sound. And that's all for me. Thank you. Next slide is commercialization potential. We use concept 3P. 3P stand for people, price, and the last one is promotion. People. Our target audience is public. Our product can use to all of people. Second is price. We will sell it with an affordable price, which are 35 ringgit. And the last one is promotion. We use 3 platforms, which are Instagram, Facebook, and the last one is TikTok, to promote our product.
Among the benefits derived from this project is that it responds faster than fixed temperature detectors. This will save time and can detect fires in a short time. Moreover, it is not affected by dusty and dirty environment. It can be detected even if the environmental conditions are quite dirty and dusty, and this makes it easier for the detector to detect fires. Next, it is more reliable than a smoke detector unit, and it is cheaper than a smoke detector unit, as well as its maintenance is also minimal. In conclusion, this fire alarm detector gives many advantages, especially to teenagers and students. It is easy to do and use only a few materials as well as low cost.